Hello, good morning. Today we will discuss tutorial number 13 about pattern grading. We are needing paper scissor, eraser, a ruler, curve, a marker, so a pencil, tape, tape measure. I already traced here a center front pattern and we will use size 10 as our base for our grading tutorial. Now, what is pattern grading? Pattern grading is a size adjustment of a sample pattern to another size. Alright? This is just a step to create a larger or smaller size. Center front dart. Okay. Remember the dart construction? We transfer that dart here. It looks more nicer in the grading. Everyone is using a different technique in grading. You need to understand, the more it becomes bigger size, everything needs to be adjusted from the bust and from the length. Now, we will put one line here in the center of the shoulder and shoulder measurement. Right. Another line in the center of this neckline. This is the grading for the width. Now we need to make this one long. Let's put one line here. Okay, because we need to adjust the neckline. Then we put one line here in the crossback to adjust the size of this to there. Another line here down the bust line. So same thing. Let's make this visible. Right? Dart visible. Here. And here. Line. Crossed. And empire. Right? Okay. So this is size 10. We will make size 12. Alright. In the center of the neckline. One line. Right? And then the center of your shoulder. Another line. It's better for you to make the line across first so you can get the straight grain. Those line is straight to this line. Okay, remember, those lines is for the adjustment of the width, and then this line for the adjustment for the length. Right? There you go. So this is your side back, center back. We will start doing the grading. I will make like this, yeah? Let us cut this. Cut this. Cut this one. So this is like that. Alright. Now, we will cut those. So this is... So cut that one. This one. Alright, okay, now we need plain paper. Let's make here one line. So this will be our guide. So we will put another line with a gap of 1/8. Right? We have one here. And then we have here a gap of this 1/8. So we need to measure the 1/8. Let's put a tape. Let's try to put one straight line here, so this will become your guide. And then we put another line, 1/8. So that's it, another 1/8. Let's try to tape this one. Right there, one straight line here, and then we will put another line for the 1/8 gap. Right there. Make sure very straight line here, yeah? Alright, so from there, let's put a tape there. So 1/8, 1/8. So this is your shoulder part, and then we will go to the cross. Let's put a line there and another line. So from there, guys, you need to understand, we will grade this one to size 12. So we will be needing only a half inch. So let's put this now there. All right, and then here. So this is the cross, the shoulder, and then we will go down. Now under the bust we will be needing quarter. So let's put a line here, 1/4 gap. This is here, this one is here. All right, put a tape. This one is here. Okay, it's nice, right? Same thing, we need to make the length half inch longer. So 1/8 here, 1/8 here, and a quarter here. So it has a total of half inch. It makes more sense that we are doing the grading gradually. There you go. And another here. Okay, we will measure this one. This one will become 1/8 and 1/8 and half inch. So the armhole as well become half inch bigger. Very nice, right? Here we will trace this. Now let's do the same thing to the back. Okay, same thing in the back. This one. What you can do also, pattern will not be misplaced. You can cut one by one. In this area, we'll be needing 1/8, 1/8, and 1/4, right? So we can start here. Let's put here a straight line. Okay, a 1/8 gap. From here, you can put first the center. Okay, here you can tape this. This and this, you can tape together, right? Yeah. Just make sure it's straight. So let's make that. We can start from here. Alright. Then this one, make sure it's straight. Okay. Okay. So same thing here. You will be having a gap of 1/8. So this is the 1/8 gap. 8 line here. Another straight line there. And then put this one. Okay. This one is much easy. So the pattern will not be misplaced somewhere. Let's put a gap of quarter. Same what we did in the front. Because we are needing half inch only to make it a long body. Straight line there. Right. And another straight line here. Take this one. Right. This is the important of those green line. So this is like that. And then we will adjust this and this. So at least the center is already adjusted. Cut this. This one. So from there, how much is we needing there? 1/8. Okay, do not forget. Okay. So let's make a 1/8 line gap here. Alright. So let's put this first. 1/8 here. Another 1/8 here. Alright. Let's put the tape. And here. Then you have here 1/4 gap. And tape together. There. And then this is small one here, like that. Alright. Then we will cut this part. The same thing, another 1/4. So we cut this. Alright. Then this. And this. Okay, from here we will be having another 1/8. Right, let's put one long line there. We can start from here. This one, order, and 1/8 here, right, and here. Beautiful, very beautiful. You can put this here, and this one in here, right, and then here. Very nice, huh? And then we need to cut this one. Then we will be having here how much? 1/4. So this is now our back. So grading is fun, huh? Very interesting. So here, let's put another long straight line here with a 1/4 gap, right there, and then we put this. So 1/4 there, 1/4 here. All right, so we will be needing a new pattern paper to trace this. After tracing, then we have size 12. There you go, right? Very beautiful. So we will trace now a new size 12. So let's make the dart. Beautiful, right? Very beautiful. I hope you are enjoying while you are learning. We are tracing now center front. Yeah. This is the shoulder. Then let's connect this one. The front. Okay, and let's make neck. Right, let's check there. Beautiful, yeah. Okay, and then let's trace the back. So let's trace this and a side back, right, shoulder. This is right, then our dart. Very nice. I am enjoying this. I hope you also are enjoying. Then let's make this one straight. Do not be afraid if you do something which is you think is not right, because that is the beginning of learning, and it's not bad to ask if you don't know something, because again, that is the beginning of learning, because everyone has his own or her own technique of cutting. Every book as well, you will find every book has a different technique of teaching. So this is now the center back. So okay, let's remove center front. This is size 10. Now is size 12. Look, this is now the new center back. All right, center back size 12, right? This is the size 10. Look, become longer. We have here, and then we have another there, and you can see the width of the cross and the armhole. For grading, it's not concentrated only in the armhole and in the side. Pattern is divided into important part of our pattern, which is the back, here, and the side, and our length from shoulder to the cross to here in the empire. Thank you very much, and I do hope you learned something today. If you want to learn more